Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how plastic bottles are made, chewing step by step. Don't forget to subscribe.
Scan confirmed. Inventory updated. Move these pallets to Section 3. The molten plastic is transported through these heated pipelines toward the molding stations, with the robotic valves ensuring precise flow control. Freshly molded plastic preforms move rapidly along conveyor belts into automated cooling chambers. Cold air systems and rotating cooling fans lower the temperature. The AI vision system meticulously scans every bottle for defects in shape and clarity. This ensures maximum product quality before the bottling phase.
And that's how plastic bottles are made, Hatcher, from start to finish.